Let's talk about parental responsibilities and rights, and specifically maintenance. In the first video in this series, we learned that maintenance is one of 4 concepts falling under the broad definition of parental responsibilities and rights. For those who have watched our previous videos, you know that I like looking at the act itself, being the Children's Act, to try and give a bit of a definition on the various parental responsibilities and rights which are defined in the legislation. Unfortunately, in terms of maintenance, I can't do that because there is simply no definition in legislation in South Africa for the concept of maintenance. However, the Department of Justice's website gives us a very nice definition which I'm going to be using in lieu of a legislative definition, and it reads as follows. Maintenance is the obligation to provide another person, for example a minor, with housing, food, clothing, education, and medical care, or with the means that are necessary for providing the person with these essentials. This legal duty to maintain is called the duty to maintain or the duty to support. Now, this is quite a thorough and very broad definition of maintenance, and I'd like to distill it down a little bit just into a non-legal, simple definition as an aid to understanding what maintenance is. And the crack that I took at it is as follows. Maintenance is the legal obligation to provide a minor or someone else with necessary support such as food, shelter, education, medical care, or financial means, also known as the duty to support or maintain. Thank you so much for watching this video, which forms part of our Parental Responsibilities and Rights series of videos. For more information, please do visit our website www.vermeulenlaw.co.za and subscribe to our YouTube channel.